Hi, let's solve this problem together. This is a radical equation problem because it is having unusual square root on it. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to take away the square root. That's the first thing we do in order to reduce the complexity of this equation. All right, so now what we do here is we take the square root of both sides. How do we do that? Don't forget that, like I always say, that anytime you do away with the square root, you take the square. Taking away the square root means you are going to take the square of both sides, and that is what will actually eliminate the square root. You understand? All right, let's do that now. So when we do that, we're going to have something like this: 5x squared minus 2x plus 2 all squared equals to x plus 1 all squared. By doing this, this square cancels the square root. So we're going to have 5x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals to. So when you square this, don't bother yourself in opening two brackets. There's a short way of doing that. Use what we call Pascal triangle. And that will give us 1, 2, 1. You understand? How do you go by it? 1 times x squared will give me what? X squared. 2 plus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 times 1 square will give me what? So this is gonna be 5x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals to x squared. So 2 times x will give me 2x times 1 still remain 2x plus 1 square remain 1. Then let's collect the like terms in order to reduce the equation. So we have 5x squared minus x squared minus 2x. Bring this in, you have minus 2s plus 2. Bring the 1, you have minus 1. All equals 0. Now, let's reduce this. We have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. So these, don't bother yourself in using factorization method because the answer will be in fraction. Why? Anytime you multiply something like this, 4 times 1 will give us 4. So there's no how we are going to add or subtract 1 from 4 that will have minus 4. It is impossible. So use quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula says x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, isn't it? In that case, our a is going to be 4, while b will be what? Minus 4, and c is going to be 1, isn't it? So when we substitute to this, we're going to have something like this here. We're going to have x equals to minus 4 all into b squared, which is minus 4. So that will be minus 4 all squared minus 4 times a, which is 4, times 1 all over 2 times a, which is 4. So now this will give me minus times minus plus, that's 4 plus or minus. Minus 4 squared will give me 16 in the square root. So I have 16. Minus 4 times 4 will give me minus 16 times 1 still remain minus 16. So I'm going to have minus 16 all over 8. Isn't it? So when you take out this, 16 minus 16 gives 0. Then the square root of 0 is 0. So we're going to have 4 over 8 plus or minus 0, which will still remain what? Which will still remain 0. So forget about that then, so that you can have 4 goes here, 1, and 4 goes here, 2. So the value of x here is 1 over 2. So therefore, x equals to 1 over 2. And when you substitute this, you will see that the answer will give you the same values. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.